friends, today I will tell you about another Ptc site that has been working honestly since 2011. I will take you to the screen at the end of the studio video. Stay with me till then and watch my full video, then you must learn the techniques to earn from here. Well, this is the site I am talking about, Yougetprofit. Yougetprofit is one of the sites that allow you to earn online simple by viewing promotional link. Yougetprofit is a project born in 2011 by the Sam Tweakers administrator, and he is one of the most innovative pay-to-click sites since it combines the classic Ptc with a revenue share system. The purpose of the site is earn or sell all its members. How can you earn, friends? Earning real money with Yougetprofit easy and fast. Once logged in, you will need to click on money and then viewers to see all the link ads. Currently, there are about 13 to 14 links reaching up to 0.5 cent. However, as mentioned above, Yougetprofit also offers to opportunity to buy a $25 revenue share pack that will then the result to $13 with a profit of $5. To qualify for a daily profit, you have to click 10 paid ads. Although earnings are already far higher than other Ptc, Yougetprofit also offers you interesting referral system that allows you to accumulate 10% of affiliate commission. How to make money with the Yougetprofit? It's important to first point out how the minimum payout of withdrawing your earning is only $2 through the usual PayPal, Solid Trust Pay, Perfect Money, Bitcoin, Litecoin, Dogecoin, etc. After the first payout, however, the minimum amount to earn to claim the payment is $5. For the second withdrawal, $7. For the third withdrawal, and $10. For all subsequent payment requests, the withdrawal may be a small commission fee apply. Yougetprofit requires to use the same processor for the both deposit and withdrawal fund. That being said, it is useful to go to the reference system. By suggesting the site of the friends, you can accumulate 10% of the commission that generate without maximum limit in the number of referral. And anticipated true gain in Yougetprofit, as in all Ptc site, is having a lot of subscriber under our reference. Having 18 people clicking 2 links a day, we will earn the beauty of $1.16 daily. 18 people into 20 clicks into 0.001 cent per click without doing virtually anything. How much and how do we earn? As we have mentioned, the general features, Yougetprofit is unique Ptc, innovated its counts that allows earning not only from paid link click but also through the purchase revenue pack share, whose profit depends on your daily business. With regard to the Ptc linked earning system, going to the earn money viewer section, you will find the classic list, all the paid link that will offer you 0.005 cents is on average. But if everything seems normal, you should focus more on the second earning opportunity that Yougetprofit offers its users, a revenue share pack. If Yougetprofit, you can buy a revenue share pack for $25 you can deposit your personal money or use the funds earned by using the site that can generate a net profit $5 by selling the same pack at a price $30. In order to enjoy this profit in practice, Yougetprofit divides parts of your earning with the most active users. You only have to access the site daily and click on up to 10 ads. To participate in the earning division, as you might guess, there is no fixed daily profit, but this depends on what Yougetprofit had gained on that particular day. We make a clear example. Yougetprofit has earned $1,000 a day, and 10,000 people who have only 5,000 have clicked on at least 10 paid ads on that day. Based on this consideration, only 5,000 people can participate in the profit division, and each of them will receive 15 cent revenue share. So we will you must go to my link what's mentioned my description links. Now we are going to screen, so you continue my video to what I see in the screen. Okay, we will now go to the screen. We are now going to the screen. You can see the screen that I mentioned above. This site name is Yougetprofit. First you should go to the sign up option. Here you can see the general information: full name, username, email address, confirm email address, password, payment processor, perfect money, solid trust pay, PR, Bitcoin, Bitcoins, and future pay. I have an account, so I cannot sign up here. Now I am log in my account. You can see the username and password, and also verified humanity. Just input the captcha ZXYKW. Okay, I am entering. It's loading. Please wait during login process. After login, the interface will show here. You should close the windows. This is the pop-up windows. You first log in, then you can see the windows. Okay, I'm close it. You can see here my balance $2.30 and advertising balance $1.30. Referral commission level $114. Referral level 7, referral level 2, my click 15,376, and referral click 57,593 clicks. This is my account information. My payment received $29.84. Okay, how will we work here? You should go to the earn money, then click the view ads. Okay, I click the view ads. You can see this information, but the view ads. Firstly, I am going to click one ads. It will work. Okay, I click one ads. This is pop-up windows, so I click again. Sorry, pay to click ads. I click here. You can see after click the ads, the bar is green. Then click the continue. After clicking the continue, you can see the another bar white flash. The bar became green, and there are 6 pictures shown here. Click the upside down picture. We can see this picture is not upside down. This picture not upside down. This is the picture but is upside down. We click here. Okay, then we close the window. You can see this ads not light. We click another ads. Click continue. It will work same previous ad. We click the upside down picture. Okay, then we close the window. All at same way to click. Okay, we are going to another option, earn money. You can offer all, then click offer all. After clicking the offer all, you can see the ads here. It's loading. For slowing net, we cannot find it instantly. This is the offer all. After clicking the offer all, the window will open here. Okay, we close. This is offer all. You can also earn money with clicking the offer all. I do not click here. You can do it easily. Okay, now I am going to my account. You can see the several option: account summary, promotional tools. Now we click promotional tools. This is the promotional banner. This is the first banner. Revenue share since 2013. Banner 2, high referral commission, get paid 24 hours. Banner 3, $2 minimum payout. Banner 4, revenue share paid click, 100% payout. The another option is showing here, rent referral, direct referral, what we discuss about my previous lesson, so I cannot discuss here again. You can see the direct referral. There are 7 direct referral. that I gathered here. You can see my site, the right corner, top ptc.blogspot.com, ptc tips 100 blogspot.com, a to z 100 blogspot.com, top ptc a to z 2000 a to z 2000. This is my site. Here I promote my site. You can see my direct referral. I can also rent referral, but I do not suggest to rent referral. You always promote your link and collect your direct referral. This is my video where you get you can earn money from here for long life. This is a legit site, so you should join here if you want to earn money online. Thank you so much for watching my video.